Tired of typing your Yahoo password every time? Ditch it forever with a passkey. Log in with just your face or fingerprint. No more remembering that complex jumble of letters and numbers. No more resetting it when you forget. This is one of those rare upgrades that actually makes your life easier and more secure at the same time. I will walk you through the exact steps to enable a passkey in Yahoo Mail. It takes less than 2 minutes. Seriously, you will be done before your coffee gets cold. So let us start. First, sign into your Yahoo account the usual way with your email and password. We are going to change that right now, but you do need to get in first to set things up. Once you are logged in, look at the very top right corner of the page. You will see your profile icon. It might be a silhouette or your actual picture. Go ahead and click on that. A little menu drops down. From that menu, select Account Info. This is where Yahoo keeps all the important settings for your account. Now you are on the Account Info page. Look along the top or the side for a tab that says Account Security. Click on that. This is where the magic happens, where you control who gets into your account and how. Scroll down through all the security options until you find the Passkeys section. It might be listed under something like Sign In and Security, or it may have its own dedicated area. Just look for the word Passkey. It is in there, and here is the really important part. Click the button that says Create Passkey or Set Up Passkey. Yahoo might use slightly different wording, but it will be clear. Click that button. Your browser or your device will now ask you to verify your identity. This is the security check to make sure it is really you making this change. Follow the on-screen prompts. It might ask for your password one more time or send a code to your phone. That is totally normal. Do that. Now this is the step that makes everything worth it. Your device will ask you to use your biometric authentication. That is your fingerprint or your face, or it might ask for your device PIN or a physical security key if you use one. Choose whichever method you prefer. I personally love using my fingerprint. It takes one touch, so go ahead and use your face, your finger, or your PIN to confirm. Once you do that, you are done. On the screen, you should see a confirmation that your passkey has been added to your account. It might say passkey created successfully or something similar. That is it. From now on, whenever you log into Yahoo, you will see the option to use your passkey instead of typing your password. Just use your face or your fingerprint and you are in. It is that fast. I have been using passkeys in my own accounts for a while now, and honestly, it is one of those changes you do not realize you needed until you try it. No more password fatigue. No more worrying about a weak password. Just instant access with your biometrics. Give it a try. You will wonder why you did not do it sooner.